Marina, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Latest in Beauty is back, for me anyway, and they're also back with a different type of packaging, which is a lot more eco-friendly. You used to get the box inside a plastic bag, but now the box is more like that glossy box style. I'm just covering the label, where you just take the thing here off, and then everything is inside. So in case you don't know, I have skipped a month in July, and the reason for that was that there wasn't much in the July drop that was actually interesting me. And other than that, I had 3 boxes in May, my box in June, and I also got a collection box in June, which I didn't show on my channel. So I had plenty of products for me to skip a month comfortably without feeling like I'm missing out, and I'm back with my August picks. And also, if you're new to my channel, what I usually do is I put chapters on the play bar. I give a little bit of info about latest in beauty in case you are new to latest in beauty and you want to know more. Then I go over my previous picks and tell you what I thought of them, if I've used all of them or not, and then I go into the actual unboxing. So yes, in case you didn't know, you can skip a month with latest in beauty. However, you have to be a pro when you do that. That means that you have to have been with them for at least 3 months, or take out a prepaid subscription of at least 3 months, and that gives you pro status, which means free postage on everything and 50% of their collection boxes. You can only pause once every so often. I'm not quite sure, but if you want to do it 2 months in a row, you can't. Your next payment will come out, or you have to cancel. And also, what's different about latest in beauty is that you pick your own items. You have to make sure that you pick by your next billing date comes along, because if you haven't picked anything, then they will just send you a random selection, and the products that they offer on the beauty counter, they are sometimes really good, and you would be ashamed to miss it. Okay, so now let's go over my July picks. The first item that I don't have with me right now because it's all finished is the Dr. Teal's Epsom salts. I got the eucalyptus and mint one, and they were really nice. I expected them to be nice. So I'm going to move on to the next item. Okay, and I have this Ooooo Flyaway Control Gel. This I wasn't that impressed with. I have gone online to see if maybe somebody else had the same experience as me, but it seems I'm in the minority there. So this is mainly to keep flyaway hairs under control when you have your hair in a bun or in a ponytail or anything like that. You want a slick type of look to your hair, and you can also use it on your brows to set your brows. However, for me, the effect of this only lasted maybe an hour. And then after that, I think my hairs were like a little bit coiled and I don't have curly hair, and I do have cheap brow gels that work just as well, if not better than this one. This one is around £14 to £15, so it is quite pricey. So when I took the price into account, I wasn't that impressed. If however you pick this, let me know what you thought. Maybe I am in the minority, maybe I just expected too much, or maybe I have a dud, who knows. Next I have the Patch Black Bamboo bandages. What I like about this is that it is very eco-friendly. They are nice and black if you like black, you know, you want black bandages. However, the adhesive on them doesn't quite resist any type of water, so you gotta be careful when you wash your hands. You might have to replace the bandage. Next I picked the Maracuja Triple Face Shower Oil from Natura. This is a definite win. They've had other Natura products on their beauty counter before, and I've never been disappointed with my picks. And this doesn't disappoint either. It leaves the skin very soft. It's not greasy. It is an oil, but it's not greasy. It just sinks into the skin nicely, and the scent of this is just amazing. Next, this used to be the Hall of Fame last month, which is the Oskia Renaissance Mask. I've used this once or twice, and it's actually quite nice, but I can't say more than that because I've only used it once or twice. And then I picked the Four Sigmatic Face Mask. This one kind of gave me a little bit of a giggle because it says that it's an edible face mask as well. I did put a little bit in my mouth just to see how it tastes, and yeah, it tastes like cocoa. But I wouldn't eat it because it has clay in. I know some people use clay for detoxifying and things like that. But it's something that I would rather just not put in my body. I think the bodies, our human bodies, are effective enough of removing toxins on their own. I have only used one sachet of these. These are very, very pricey. And as a face mask itself, it's not for me. Let's just say it's not for me. I can see how someone else can absolutely adore this. It does have that poopy color when you put it on. That doesn't bother me. It's just that when I took it off, it felt extremely exfoliating, like to the point where it hurt my face, and that's just not something that I want for my face, you know. Okay, so now let's get into unboxing the August box. So as I said, we have a new design of the box itself. I can't even say the outer box, it's just the packaging. So the member reward in August was 3 of these, how do you pronounce this, Cetaphil Daily Defense Moisturizer with SPF 50+. They are only 5 ml, but if you get 3, that's 15 ml. So that's a pretty good size to know if you like it, and a pretty good size for a free sample, I suppose. And I'm personally quite chuffed with these because I do love my SPF, and if it's a good moisturizer as well on top of having SPF 50 is even better. And my actual picks, I've picked the Look Good Feel Better sculpting sponge. I do need to change my blending sponge, so I'm gonna put this on my dressing table straight after I finish filming this, because I really need to change my sponge. Then I picked the Bees Brilliance Manuka Honey Face Mask. This is actually not for me because it said that it's for dry and sensitive skin, which I have neither of. I have combination skin. I have picked it for my fiance, however, because his skin has been quite dry lately, so we'll see if this fixes it, or at least helps a little bit. He has moisturizers and all of that, but it does seem like he needs something a little bit extra, so I've got the face mask for him. Okay, the rest are for me. We have the Mane and Tail Herbal Grow Leave-In Cream. I have a leave-in treatment which I love at the minute, but it's running out, so I thought that this would do as a nice replacement. I think it's mainly marketed for curly hair, but you can use it for any type of hair, really. It doesn't really say on the actual information here that it's for a certain type of hair, so yeah, I think I will enjoy this. Actually, I want to have a look. Oh, smells really nice. Yeah. Then I've got a couple of body products. I'm very lazy in applying my body products, but I was so intrigued and I really wanted to try them. So I got a Naughty the Booster, which is a body serum, skin toning and firming. And I also got from the same range the body moisturizer, the skin tightening one. So just in case you don't follow me on Instagram, or you do but you missed my stories because I haven't done an update on that in a while, I am trying to lose some weight and I have lost a little bit, and I can see it in my body and all of that, but I'm thinking that a skin firming moisturizer or something like that could actually help, you know, as I lose the weight. So yeah, I got these two to help with that. I just gotta be proactive in actually using them. Okay, and the last item in here, which I think they said it was worth £42. Anyway, it will be on the screen. I will put the prices on the screen if I find them on different websites, which is a bit ridiculous. However, I didn't pick it for the value of it. I picked it because from what it says, it seems like it might be one of those products with really calming scents. And it is from Neil's Yards Remedies, the Frankincense Intense Hydrating Essence. It's supposed to make your skin look smoother, have more of a natural glow, skin look brighter, and then refine the complexion. It says apply morning and evening to cleanse skin, add a few drops in the palm of your hand and take a moment to inhale the aroma. Using your fingertips, gently glide over the face and slowly pat until absorbed. Use as part of your frankincense intense routine, which I don't think I will at these prices. Use after the intense cleansing melt and before your frankincense intense serum. Right, so this will be before my moisturizer. And this is what a bottle looks like. Very nice. It smells quite citrusy, but yeah, it's a nice scent. I like citrusy scents. Yeah, it does have aloe juice, bergamot peel oil, let's see what else, bitter orange flower oil, mandarin orange peel oil, and then some other types of oils. So yeah, I will explain why it smells citrusy, I suppose. Okay, so this is one of my picks for the month of August. If you also subscribe to Latest in Beauty, let me know what you picked in the month of August, or if you are still to make your pick, what you have your eye on. Yeah, I would love to chat with you about that down in the comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love it if you check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!